This that I'm talking about right now has potential to make $100,000 plus per day. Yo, what's up, learning machines? I recently came across one of the most insane ways of making money in general, and it's literally kind of freaking me out because I put it off for so long, and I've done multiple niches at this point. Paid ads, free traffic, everything. This method, it gets the highest conversion rate I have ever freaking seen, okay? And it is freaking easy to do. It's literally guaranteed every single time to have a high freaking conversion rate. And I mean, it works for any traffic source. It works for any niche. The conversion rate is literally ridiculous because you're adaptable to the customers, okay? And I don't really want to share what this is, but I really want to let people know, like, if you want to call me, I can maybe negotiate with you and share with you what it is. But I'm telling you right now, this exact method could make anyone, I don't care what country you're in, this could make anybody obscene amounts of money, affiliate marketing, okay? Making their own products, doing any traffic source. I mean, it's so cool. And I'm saying this literally, like, I've put this off for so long, and then I came back to it because I noticed patterns and stuff between things. And this is the most innovative idea in a lot of ways, okay, for just making money in general, okay, and online money too, because making money online is way better. Because think about it this way: in the past, people would do brick and mortar businesses, and they would do in-person selling stuff, like door to door. Like, that's a lot of hard work. Nowadays, you can get in front of hundreds of thousands of people for very, very cheap. You could do worldwide and everything like that, like paid ads and stuff, and you can get in front of tons of people, so for super cheap. And you could literally use any traffic source. You could do adult marketing and sell adult products and stuff like that. But the whole trick to all of this is how to sell. Everyone can get traffic, bro, but not everyone can be profitable, okay? And I literally have come across one of the most powerful methods, and it's not like it's one method. It's like there's so many angles to go about it that are so easy. It's freaking crazy, and it's freaking me out, and I just kind of want to share it with the world and let them know, because I literally have come across one of the biggest gold mines I've ever come across. And people may say, like, oh, he's just saying that. No, dude, I'm telling you, like, I'm at the forefront of ideas. Okay, I'm always learning. My knowledge is compounding 24/7. I try to read at least a few books per week. I mean, it's ridiculous, especially smart books, is what I'm trying to read every single week that are like crazy. So knowledge is compounded to the point where these strategies that I have are ridiculous. If you want to schedule a call with me, you don't have to schedule a call with me. Just call me right now if you're interested. That's all I've got to say. If you want to literally change your life right now, I am willing to share with people. But definitely at a price, okay? So we can negotiate and stuff, but I'm telling you right now, this is guaranteed like crazy, crazy money. Some people can take a course of one of mine, and some people have success, some people will not, okay? But this is like, bro, you could do it, and it's crazy. It's medium level work, but at the same time, you could totally automate it through the roof. It has almost nothing to do with YouTube, okay? It has nothing to do with, like, what's something it doesn't have to do with? You don't have to really create your own products if you don't want to. Like, you could literally go a million angles. There's a million combinations for this, and it's freaking so cool. I mean, I'm basically pivoting everything I'm doing to do that thing that I'm talking about right now, okay? So it's got me super hyped. Hopefully you see the excitement because I'm freaking out. And, like, I make on average like 15K to 30K per day or more per day, okay? And that's with a bunch of income streams. This that I'm talking about right now has potential to make $100,000 plus per day. I have huge mentors in the game. I talk with them all the time, and through conversations with them of what works for them and noticing patterns for mentors throughout time I've listened to, like, this is a very powerful idea when combined with different things. So if you're interested in learning what this is, it is not free for me to teach you what this is. And I'm not trying to make money here, but I am trying to help people, but I don't want this to get out to like millions. I don't want it to get out to the whole world of what this method is, because it could essentially ruin what the method is. Because what happens is consumer minds are doing one thing for a long time until everything gets too saturated, gets pivoted This is the next pivot. I'm telling you right now, this is the next massive pivot that is like the way to actually sell and actually do things right. Like this comes down to master persuasion, master sales, trust, likability, etc. Like these are the keys, but how you do it is very powerful. Like I'm telling you, the way that everyone's doing it can work, but not profitably. It's very rare. You have to be extremely good at copywriting, okay? That took me a long time to learn. And it's not easy and it's not super fun, okay? To like come up with a great message and split test it and figure it out. This is insane, and I don't know what else to say, guys. So anyway, if you're interested, just call me right now, okay? I have the number down below. You can call me, you can call my team or anyone who will answer the phone. And I'm telling you right now, this will literally change everyone's life who literally gets this information, okay? It will change everybody's life. It's freaking awesome. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you learning machines later. Stay strong, keep learning, be a learning machine, and peace.